नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं आनंद, मेरे साथ विजय। We are back with some interesting analysis today for a year 2022. First of all, Happy New Year to everyone. Wishing you
New
everyone
Year.
a great, excellent trading year ahead. A learning plus money making opportunity both one can have in the coming year. We'll be sharing a total yearly view of a Nifty in this video based on as per price volume and also Elliott wave count. What is the overall possibility likely scenarios for the Nifty for the year ahead? This is specifically just for the Nifty levels. There can be a individual different sectors analysis which will be sharing in other videos, and where can we may see some different sectors performing in different way, may not necessarily completely correlate with the Nifty. So let us look at Nifty chart first from Elliott wave perspective from Mr. Vijay, dear friend. Over to you, Vijay.
Thanks, Anand.
Yeah. Wow. Yearly chart of the Nifty. क्या मूव आया है पिछले 1 2 3 4 5 6 years कंटिन्यूअसली ग्रीन कैंडल्स, बुलिश कैंडल्स. वाह,
बिल्कुल सबसे बढ़िया कैंडल तो 2020.
interesting is Vijay, look at this. Last 5 years all have been in a positive close year on year basis. Just before that there was one negative close, although candle was green, blue color. This but close, I think this close looks like, oh, close also positive.
Close भी positive है.
1 2 3 6 years of a stretch positive yearly close. I think this has rarely happened in Nifty in history.
एक यहाँ था, 1 2 3 4 5 6
6 years exact. उसके पहले ये that was 2008 stretch and this is 2021 का तेजी चल रहा है.
Correct.
One way. Look what happened in 2000 after the 6 candles in 2008. Hopefully we do not get such kind of repeat in 2022.
मत बोलो.
Anyways, let us look at counts. What does the wave count suggest?
चलते हैं थोड़ा lower down the scale. ये monthly chart है. ये रोमन 4 मैंने लगा दिया है, बट इसका confirmation अभी 100% नहीं है. इसका मतलब यही है कि जो भी रैली अभी पिछले कुछ दिनों से शुरू हुआ है वो सस्टेन नहीं करेगा, तो हम न्यू लोस भी देख सकते हैं और एटलीस्ट अ लो अबव द प्रीवियस लो भी देख सकते हैं. वो किस लिए? वो इसलिए तो पिछले वीडियो में तो ये मैंने एक्सप्लेन कर ही दिया था, कॉम्प्लेक्स करेक्शन. प्राइस 200 DMA तक आया नहीं. 200 DMA 16,350 के आसपास है, वहां तक आया नहीं है. वहीं से हम वापस चलने लग गए. तो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 दिन हो गए. 10 days we stayed away from it. very good. प्राइस 20 DMA के ऊपर क्लाइम कर गया है और फ्राइडे के दिन 40 DMA से टकरा के रुक गया है. सो दिस इज इंडिसाइसिव क्लोज. अगर ये ग्रीन लाइन के ऊपर क्लोज होता तो आई वुड हैव बीन एक्सट्रीमली बुलिश अबाउट इट. बट घबराने वाली बात नहीं है, जैसे इमरान खान जी बोलते हैं, घबराना नहीं है. इसमें सिर्फ एक प्रॉब्लम है कि ये जो राइजिंग स्ट्रक्चर है ये अभी भी बुलिश नहीं दिखता है ऑन डेली स्केल, बिकॉज अज्यूमिंग दिस इज द बॉटम एंड इफ आई से दिस इज 1 2, दिस कैन नॉट बी 3 and 4 बिकॉज 4 इज एंटरिंग द टेरिटरी ऑफ वेव 1. सिमिलरली हम इसको 1 2 3 4 भी नहीं मान सकते हैं, तो ये थोड़ा पेचीदा मामला है. सो इफ वी गो डाउन अर्ली स्केल पे, बुलिश पॉसिबिलिटी एक है इफ assuming that this entire rise is subdividing. हो सकता है कि ये 1 2 है एंड अगेन ये एक छोटा सा 1 है, छोटा सा 2 है, राइट, एंड दिस इज 3. बट प्रॉब्लम ये है कि दिस इज अगेन ओवरलैपिंग विद दिस. ऑलमोस्ट इट इज ओवरलैपिंग, तो इसको मैं 4 नहीं मान सकता हूँ। तो ये थोड़ा कंफ्यूजिंग सा स्ट्रक्चर है, सो वील हैव टू वेट एंड सी व्हाट हैपेंस। एक तरीका ये है कि मैं 3 ऊपर शिफ्ट कर दूं और 4 अभी हुआ नहीं है, सो वील हैव टू सी व्हाट हैपेंस ओवर द नेक्स्ट कपल ऑफ डेज। तब तक हमें डाउटफुल और केयरफुल रहना चाहिए इस राइस को लेकर। आई विल बी एक्सट्रीमली हैप्पी इफ इट goes and closes above this high 17,630 635, ये जो लेवल है। तो आनंद, आप जो कह रहे थे ना कि this rise doesn't look very confidence inspiring, वो सही बात है, because of this entire overlapping wave structure.
There is also volume mismatch. Volumes भी कुछ strength नहीं दिखा रहे हैं.
Volumes.
We'll come to that later.
Yeah.
And Vijay, what's the worst scenario for this fourth? If we assume that fourth has not been completed over there around 16,400 or so.
अगर वो नहीं है तो सिंपल एक तो हम सिंपल रिट्रेसमेंट लेवल देख सकते हैं, राइट? बिकॉज इफ दिस इज वेव 3, सॉरी फिर से मूव कर दिया था गलती से, राइट? 23.6% इज अबाउट 15,986. ये मिनिमम यहाँ तक तो आ सकता है, बट मोस्ट ऑफन the retracement of wave 4 is at 38.2%, which is around 14,360, जो ये previous wave 4 के पास है.
So this look most likely scenario.
Most likely बोल नहीं सकते, ये एक possibility है, possibility है.
Worst case scenario I can say.
Worst case scenario, correct.
Yeah.
Worst case scenario possibility है, but I think even before that, you would remember from our earlier videos, ये जो area है, ये बहुत strong support area है. राइट, 15,500 के आसपास. इसको तोड़ना थोड़ा मुश्किल ही है. ऑफ कोर्स नामुमकिन तो कुछ भी नहीं होता है बेयर मार्केट में. सो दिस इज डेफिनेटली अ पॉसिबिलिटी वी शुड कीप इन माइंड, नॉट टू से कि ऐसा होगा. ये हमें एक्शन देख के पता चलेगा थोड़े दिनों में, बिकॉज निफ्टी तो चलो 40 DMA से 40 वीक MA से बाउंस कर रहा है. I think the weakness can come from somewhere else. You know, Bank Nifty doesn't look too strong to me. अभी हम Bank Nifty को कवर करेंगे अलग वीडियो में. So ये है कहानी.
Okay, so broadly speaking, the fourth is done, or one more dip possible in a short term, and we may head towards 18,000 or higher levels. Maybe even next round number, which comes somewhere around, I guess, 21,000 if I'm not wrong.
Yes, अगर ये bottom हो गया है तो we can definitely look at much higher targets. Big round number 18,000 तो हो ही गया है, तो इसके बाद 21,000 है. The next big round number is 21,000. क्योंकि ये 3,000 पॉइंट्स का लेग्स हैं हमारे जितने भी हैं निफ्टी के. So we are here. So this is very much a possibility in year 2022.
21,000 near about.
21,000. Yes.
Interesting.
बस वही है कि पहले हम थोड़ा और नीचे जाके ऊपर चलेंगे या यहीं से ऊपर जाके फिर एक शार्प करेक्शन आएगा, वो हमें देखना पड़ेगा. Because we should not forget this. Right.
Thank you.
Yeah. Now let's look at volumes and see.
Yeah. Here is a Nifty chart monthly. I hope it's visible clearly.
Yes.
Something interesting in this chart. I'll come to that first before we move ahead. When I have gone through the historical pattern of the Nifty, Vijay, I have observed one peculiar pattern getting repeated. What that is, approximately Nifty gives a 10% at least once a year, every year.
Okay. Every year.
हो सकता है दिन में 2 बार, हो सकता है कोई साल 2 बार दे, 3 बार दे. and which we have seen recently in this 2021, it hasn't
Right.
happened since January. This was the January low of 2021, which was near 13,666. This is Nifty future. Let me move to Nifty spot chart for better clarity. Here comes the Nifty spot chart. Yeah. So 13,600, 596. 600 was the low in the month of the January. And since then, there was a one-way rally. There was this pullback correction, but this was less than 10%. High was 15,400 and low was 14,050. So less than 10%. And then overall was an excellent bullish month until we gave a 10% kind of correction from October mid all the way till December mid within 2 months.
ये 12-13% का था ना?
Minimum 10% correction. The condition of minimum 10% correction gets done. 2020 में तो पूछो ही मत क्या हुआ था.
Correct.
Yeah, then this happened in 21. Now there is also one more thing. This is when it comes to 10% correction. There is the second part and third part to this. The second part says we may see approximately 20% plus kind of correction in 2 to 3 years max. Okay. 20% plus यानी कि मिनिमम 20% आना है फ्रॉम द टॉप इन अ सिंगल लेग. यानी कि वेव्स अप डाउन आएंगे, बट ऐसा नहीं कि वो अभी एक बार 10% आया फिर और एक बार 10% बाद में आएगा हाई जाके. दैट डज नॉट मेक सेंस. well, path let market decide. But look at the time period from March 2020.
Yeah.
We have done one way stretch without even 10% correction, which has happened just now. If you look at from the March 2020, we had, say, in approximately 21 months, we had just one leg of 10% correction. Forget about 20%. Right? So I won't be surprised to see 20% kind of correction from the top, wherever the top may be in the year 2022. Now the top can be 21,000, which just now we have discussed as per Elliott wave possibility and round numbers. And from 21,000, 22,000 somewhere, we may see 20% plus correction. This is the one possibility. Or who knows, this present correction, it may continue and make it a 20% kind of correction from the top of 18,600. In which case, this comes somewhere around 15,000 or so. 18,600, 3,700 points goes away, which gives us somewhere around 14,800, 900 zone. And that's why I asked you what's the worst case possibility of this down move for fourth leg, and which also matches with that this correction, this zone. The consolidation zone which we have seen.
Correct. Right. Same.
Pullback correction, and there was also this fourth mark down your charts, right? And 15,000 also acts as a round number, so 100 points here or there. This can continue towards them. We may complete the larger degree fourth over here, and then market might start an excellent up move. So broadly speaking, in year 2022, be ready. And don't be surprised if we get a 20% kind of correction from the top. Now, how do we identify such opportunity and trade it? That can be a regular daily process, daily trading process, during which once we start looking at a correction or a sell signal, then we can just keep on waiting. Hopefully, this can be a 20% kind of correction and keep on trailing the position. ऐसा नहीं कि यार 20% compulsory होगा, मैं position book ही नहीं करूँगा. You need to follow your money management, but don't ignore this point that there can be a possibility. Now coming to this is a broadly picture for a downside, the worst case scenarios, and worst case में तो नीचे में यहाँ तक भी जा सकता है as long as it does not overlap with the first leg which was around 12,500. This can be the fourth, right Vijay?
Yes.
Yeah. So it's better to ignore such a scary picture as of now. उसका पार्ट जो थर्ड पार्ट जो मैंने अभी कहा नहीं है, उसमें आएगा जब समय आएगा तो उसके बारे में बता दूंगा कि ये फर्स्ट पार्ट 10% हो गया, सेकेंड पार्ट 20% का हो गया. थर्ड पार्ट इज इट गिव्स अप्रोक्सीमेटली 35 to 40% काइंड ऑफ करेक्शन विद इन वेरी शॉर्ट पीरियड इफ वी सी सच काइंड ऑफ स्ट्रेच गेट एक्सटेंडेड. यानी कि ये जो अपमूव था इफ ये गेट एक्सटेंडेड होगा, उसका एक टाइम पीरियड है, जब समय आएगा उसके बारे में जैसा मेन रिवर्सल का टाइम पे बताया था, उसका भी इसका भी उस टाइम पे डेफिनेटली we will be sharing over through the videos. Provided you have subscribed to the video, you will be getting an update immediately. So please subscribe to the channel. You get updates notification on time. Now coming to the likely possible scenario as of now, which I am betting on. Assuming this bottom has been done over here, we may see some minor pullbacks or so. This is the weekly chart. Assuming the bottom has been done, there can be some pullback and structure may get repaired as volumes are very dull also. But this is the 18,600 to 16,400, approximately 2,200 points range. Whenever this gets broken on the higher side, say it happens in the January, February, March, any month, we may see this range getting extended on a higher side, which gives us a target towards 20,700, 800, 20,800 or so level. 2,200, 18,600 plus 2,200 gives us 20,800 near about, and this beautifully matches to the round number target of your around 21,000. Look at the beauty of the technical analysis. No matter whatever is the tool, the levels approximately matches when they are major reference levels. So this is the likely immediate preferred view, that holding 16,400, which means if 16,400 does not break going ahead, which assuming bottom has been done, we may see a move all the way towards 21,000 near about. It happens in 2 months, 3 months, 5 months, let market decide. And from there we may start a 20% kind of correction. So which may again get us back towards 17,000. So that's why when I have said in the starting, there can be excellent trading opportunity as well as learning opportunity not to be missed. So assume 17,500 से 21,000 आपको एक 3,000 पॉइंट मिलेंगे, फिर वहां से आपको एक 3,000 पॉइंट डाउनसाइड कैच करने का मिलेगा. Within an year you are likely to get 5,000, 6,000 points just in Nifty. Stocks का तो छोड़ ही दो. So excellent opportunity, 5,000 points. Even if you are able to capture 4,000 points of the Nifty per lot in a year, on a margin of 1.5 lakh, you will be making 2 lakhs per lot. More than 100% return just on index, trading index, not even investment, and no need of looking at multiple different stocks charts or following so rigorous, active, hectic trading schedule. कुछ भी करने का जरूरत नहीं है, पोजिशनल ट्रेड लेने का. अब वो लेवल क्या है जिसके हिसाब से डिसीजन ले सकते हैं. कमिंग टू दैट नाउ, ये 2 नंबर एक ईयर में याद रखना है एज ऑफ टुडे, और जनवरी एंडिंग के बाद में और एक नंबर निकलेगा वंस बजट इज डन. टिल देन रिमेंबर द नंबर्स व्हिच आई एम शेयरिंग राइट नाउ. 17,150 मोस्टली. जब तक निफ्टी 17,150 के ऊपर सस्टेन्ड है, द ईयर विल बी बुलिश. ईयर लुक्स बुलिश. And the moment 17,150 goes away, the reference will be 17,350. Now, how did I come across 17,150 and 350 levels or so? This is not just simple this marking. There is a rigorous volume-based calculations, price-based calculations, which is somewhat complex to explain in short videos. So just remember this number. बाकी वो क्या कहते हैं, आम खाने से मतलब रखिए, गुटली गिनने से क्या चाहिए, कहावत है ना भाई. तो सेम वही है कि आपको नंबर ये इंपॉर्टेंट है एज ऑफ नाउ. 17,150, 17,350 इफ ट्रेंड रिवर्स टू डाउन साइड, यानी 17,150 के स्टॉप लॉस से अभी निफ्टी समवेयर अराउंड 17,400. द लेवल व्हिच आई हैव शेयर्ड इज ऑफ द निफ्टी फ्यूचर. This is the Nifty chart. So remember it. The level which I have shared is of the Nifty future. Yeah. Based on this multiple volume candles, यहाँ पे volume candles, there are many things which goes into such kind of level, and they works. So जब तक ये 17,150 is held on, और कोई सी और थोड़ा सेफ्टी चाहिए, कंजर्वेटिव चाहिए, थोड़ा you can have a reference of 17,000 round number, किसी को अगर चाहिए वैसा तो. But broadly speaking, as long as we are holding broadly 17,000, the year looks bullish. Upside, as discussed, 21,000 looks possible. Don't be surprised with that. At the same time, don't be surprised if Nifty goes and hits downside around 15,000 levels, all within a year. And 2022 can be an excellent year, trading opportunity wise. So don't miss it. This is the Nifty view from a yearly perspective. And coming to the January month, till the budget, this is the most important reference to be watched. 18,600 above Nifty closes. Look for the targets around 18,200, 18,600. Failure to close above 17,600 in a Nifty, we may see once again dip towards 17,000 or so. In which case, the pattern may form in a stronger way, good accumulation pattern, which is much more needed for a targets of around 21,000. आपको 3-4 हजार पॉइंट का मूव चाहिए तो बेस भी तो स्ट्रॉन्ग चाहिए. 4 फ्लोर की बिल्डिंग अगर स्ट्रक्चर खड़ा करना है 4 फ्लोर्स का, you need foundation also strong. 1 फ्लोर के लिए फाउंडेशन आप सिंपल भी डालोगे तो चलेगा. Same thing happens to applies to the market. What we applied in a real life, same concept gets applied to even into the market. Only thing is one needs to find the correlation across it. And I did tweet according to this on Friday. There are many patterns even through life you can correlate with the market's move. जैसा एक एग्जांपल मैं देता हूँ जो फ्राइडे का मैंने ट्वीट किया था. थर्सडे के दिन ही मेरे को पता था कि फ्राइडे के दिन मार्केट मिनिमम 200 पॉइंट्स का मूव देगा. द रीजन वाज आई वाज इनएक्टिव इन द मार्केट. अनप्लान्ड इनएक्टिवनेस, unplanned holiday. What I observed is whenever this happens, that I have to go on unplanned holiday from the markets, Nifty gives at least 200 to 50 points kind of move. वो मेरे को opportunity miss करवाना चाहता है. Same thing may happen on a Friday. So there are some events of your life which you can replicate in either in stock or index regularly if you observe it. You have an excellent opportunity based on just वहाँ पे charts का requirement ही नहीं है. So that's it on a Nifty from us for today. So broadly speaking, remember the levels which we have shared. Remember the possibilities which we have discussed, 21,000 and also 14,900 kind of on a downside. Be prepared and don't miss out on opportunity. Who knows, 21,000 जाके Nifty goes towards 15,000. You can get 3,000 on an upside from here and then 6,000 from on a downside. 9,000 points move. So be prepared, be active, and please keep watching the videos so you don't miss out on such opportunities. और उस वीडियोस को मिस नहीं करना हो तो आपको सब्सक्राइब करना पड़ेगा. वो जो घंटी का बटन है, घंटा बजा दीजिए, आपका सब्सक्रिप्शन हो जाएगा.
Correct.
So that's it from us for today on a Nifty. And do watch the Bank Nifty video for a much larger picture in Bank Nifty and other indexes as well. Once again, happy trading year ahead. Excellent opportunity. Thank you.